My name is Bob Duvall. I'm Managing Director of NASCAR's Competition Partner Program and Contingency Programs.
My name is Lori Robinson. I'm Director of Contingency and Competition Partnerships for NASCAR.
My name is Hank Fowler. I'm the Manager of Manufacturing here at NASCAR.
NASCAR teams are always looking for the best in class. They're always looking for the utmost performance, and Kennametal aligns with machining and being the top of the line performer.
For me personally, working with Kennametal has helped in the fact that I can call up my rep and say, hey, I'm cutting 6061 aluminum. I got this much material to remove. What do you recommend? And they've got a good recommendation for me, and I can get the job done quickly.
So as we look to the future, we always want to be on that cutting edge of technology with parts and pieces on race cars, and we think the alliance with Kennametal is a perfect fit.
Previous to using Kennametal products, we ordered tools from an online warehouse, and we never really knew the quality tool we were getting. Once we switched to Kennametal, I know exactly what I'm getting. I know the recommendations for chip load, speeds and feeds, material removal rates, all that stuff.
As a competition partner, Kennametal has the opportunity to bring guests out to track and do garage tours and see kind of behind the scenes.
We've seen outstanding activation with Kennametal bringing customers to the races. I don't think there's anything better than to have not just a business relationship, but also a friendship and a partnership between us and Kennametal.
Again, it's just been so beneficial with reliability and getting the tools I need when I need them. I couldn't ask for a better partner.
When I think of Kennametal, I think of high quality precision tools.
The first word out of my mouth when I think of Kennametal is quality. Superior quality, best in class category. I think the best of the best when I think of the word Kennametal.